Ah, this is the life. Come on, my new movie sucks. 2020, my new movie that came out really sucks. Pikachu, yeah, Mario. Who's this? I don't know. You know who I am, Mario and Pikachu. Mario, it's me, all of your best friends. Oh, you're that blue idiot. Come on, my movie's so stupid. All of your movies, all of you guys' movie and games are better than my games. I wish I was you. Whatever, get out. What a crybaby. Who was he again? I don't know. Mario! Pikachu, it's been a long time. Oh hey, Redbird. Oh hey, what's up, bro? We haven't seen you for a long time. How's your family doing? But they're also our family, but our cousins though. How are the others doing? They're pretty good. How about you and the others? Pretty good. Always stopping King Koopa and King Meowth's plans. Oh, you know, like the same with me and the others with King Big and his family. What brings you here? Nah, just wanted to see you guys. I haven't seen you for 50 years. I don't know. Yeah, I hope King B doesn't team up with King Koopa and King Meowth like always to destroy us. I bet that well we got some here. He's right. Meanwhile, Meowth, what do you wanna watch? I don't know. I don't know exactly. Coops! Meowth! What? Came big! Bro! It's been too long, cuz! How you been? You know, pretty good. How about you guys and the others? Oh, you know, doing fine. Always failing to destroy Mario, Pikachu, and the stupid family. Yeah, the same games for me and my family, destroying those stupid Angry Birds. Those stupid twat birds. So what brings you here? Yeah, I mean, it's been a long time. Well, usually a visit, and I also heard one of my minion peeps found out the location where Mario, Pikachu, and Redbird are. Ah, I see. Just like the good old days. Yeah. Aha! With the three of us together again, we can destroy Mario, Pikachu, and Red. So they're right now. Perfect. Soon the Crystal Stars and Pokeballs will belong to us. Yeah, and the X will be mine. Let's do this thing. Oh my god. Alright, there we go. Huh? What? Well. We meet again, twerps. Long time no see, Mario and Pikachu. Oh, great, King Pig. See? I knew we were gonna team up with King Koopa and King Meowth. Well, long time no see, Redbird. Yes, been a long time. Indeed, King Pig. What do you guys want? Simple. We're to destroy you. It's just the good old days with the three of us. Destroy you all. We'd like to see you try, Fatso.
Very well then, you still will be defeated! And please, I hope you let us assist defeating you. Guess if you don't, guess if you don't, you twerps are gonna pay for your consequences for all these years. Will not be defeated. Before we start, we should do the motto. A good idea, bro. Yeah. Prepare for trouble. Make it double. Guys, we're back to protect the world from the devastation. To unite all supervillains with a United Nation. To denounce the evils of destruction and chaos. To stand now, reach the blend above. King Koopa, King Meowth, King Pig. We all of us are blasting up at the speed of play. Surrender now or prepare for a fight. That's right. Okay. So, are we ready to fight? Oh, you bet we are. Mario, Pikachu, Redbird. It's time to destroy you! Let's get them, guys! Yeah, good idea, bro. Cuss. Oh! Patooey! Looks like we're gonna win at last. Soon you will get. Once I defeat you, you will get me the eggs. Once we defeat the both of you, you will give us the crystal stars and Pokeballs. You fatsos! Be quiet. Prepare yourselves. No! What? Give up, King Pig! No! Huh? What the? Huh? What? What was that? Mario, Pikachu, you guys alright? We are. My name's Redbird. You crazy twerps! You'll pay for that! No! You can't be defeated this way! Think about something. No! Alright. Wait, no! No! Curse you! Mario, Pikachu, Redbird! King Pig! Although he went back to his dimension. Curse you! You haven't seen the last of us. Mario, Pikachu, Redbird. Psych! Scare me. Anyway, yeah, I was just kidding. Anyway, yeah, we'll be back. You'll pay for this. We're blasting up again. No, you don't. King Pig up. Well, see each other again, Redbird. Yeah, cuz. Yeah.
No! Get back!
Curse you, Mario and Pikachu, along with Redbird. But don't worry. Do not worry. Once we get back, we'll be back. And next time, all you and your siblings will be sorry. That's right. For real, we're bloody enough again! What dumb butts, I know.